Enjoy.
Thank you. This is absolutely amazing. This is really, really good. Everything here is great?
Yeah, man.
Is there coconut milk in this?
Yeah, man, it's coconut milk, so it's actually a vegan dish.
When I go home, I'm going to try it.
Alright. So what we're doing is our Grace vegan pasta with our coconut milk. It has black bean, chickpeas, mixed veg, and red beans. We also have a new product, which is our Grace honey jerk. This gives it a little spice, a little sweetness, and rounds up the flavor a bit, right? So that's basically the dish in a nutshell.
Behind me. Oh, nice. What you said was the ingredients?
So it's our vegan pasta. It's made with our coconut cream that we have. Whether you want to use the tin or the package, you can use the package is good because you can mix it to the thickness that you want. And we have a special new product on the market, which is our Grace honey jerk.
Oh my goodness.
And it's done with our chickpeas, our black beans, or mixed veg, and also.
Oh my god, this is so good though. Honey jerk Grace.
Wow.
So enjoy.
Loving it.
And I don't know.
I'm actually loving it. You should try some. It's vegan.
Yeah. Let's open an appetite for later on.
I plan to.
Would you like to try?
The taste buds.
This is very
Don't
good.
be scared.
So probably you can ask the chef for the ingredients later on. Prepare some of the
You hear that, chef?
Pardon me?
I'm gonna need details.
ingredients.
Yeah, man.
Step
You can go to at Grace Foods on IG, and the recipe is there. Yeah, man.
I love it. I love it. This is good.
Pardon me?
The appetizer.